If you come here on YouTube, you're going to see many videos talking about how to make money online with Google Maps. And as you can see, there are tons and tons of videos right here. I tried this strategy and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my honest experience doing this strategy so you can know if this is really working or this is not working, so you don't waste your time and your money trying to do this, right? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I make videos on how to make money online. I go out there and try a lot of things on how to make money. If I find anyone that is working for me, I bring it to this channel for you guys, my subscribers, to partake in it and use it to make money for yourself too. And if I try anyone out and it's not working, I still bring it to you guys so you don't go out there and waste your time or waste your money trying to do it, right? So I tried this Google Map strategy and this is my experience with it, right? The catch here is to search for a business niche, right? That is the first step, right? So you're going to choose a business niche that you want to do. Now for me, I chose hair business, that is selling of human hairs, Brazilian hairs and all of that. So you can choose other niche, you can choose other businesses like boutique, like other businesses you can think about. But the reason why I chose hair business is that this business right here is a multi-million business that, you know, people that is in this niche, they are willing to pay you massively to make more sales and grow their business, right? So, and another thing is that this business is something that can be web built or something that can be sent to any part of the state in the country, right? That is why I chose this hair niche, right? So now the catch here is to come to Google and search for your niche in your location, right? I'm in Lagos and now I'm searching for hair stores in Lagos. As you can see here, I searched it right here and a lot of these business are going to pop up for you, right? As you can see, lots and lots of these business are going to pop up for you. Now, the second step is to search for businesses that are not doing well, right? Like this one have 5-star review. This one is actually doing well. This one has 3-star review. Well, it's doing well, but not that really well. So you're going to click on it, or you can even narrow down and search for the ones that has 1-star review, ones that don't even have no reviews at all, like this one has no reviews. So these are the ones you want to click on, right? So let's say we click on this person. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for this business owner's contact, right? So right now this is this business owner's contact right here. Most of the times when you click on one of these businesses, you might not even find any contact right there to reach out to them, right? But most of them will have contact right there. Now the third step is to copy this contact out and give them a call. You can even try adding them on WhatsApp to see if this contact is on WhatsApp, right? So when you call them and you reach out to them, you're going to explain to them that their business is not doing well on the Google map and they're not getting lots of reviews or lots of sales, that you're going to help them to optimize their business and make it rank higher on Google Map, right? And that means they're going to be making more sales for themselves. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can even do this Google My Business optimization without even having a knowledge on how to do it, and you still make money from it, right? So now I'm going to be honest with you guys. Most of the times when you call these numbers, they hung up on you. Yeah, they tend to hang up on you because they don't know you, they don't know who you are, they don't know if what you're telling them is true or something like that. So what I do most of the times is if they hang up on me, then I send them a text message, or I try to see if they're on WhatsApp, then I add them on WhatsApp, right? So this is how I do it. Now if you succeed in getting them on WhatsApp, most of them would like to have your details like your names, your picture, in case they pay you and you want to run away with their money. Most of them will even want to do a video chat with you so you can actually explain to them face to face how it works. Most of them would even want you to come to their physical shop so you can meet them one-on-one. But in case if their physical shop is far from you, you guys can actually have a video call and discuss about it. This is a business, right? And you can charge a lot of money doing this for each person, right? Now if you succeed in getting a customer, which is, I'm going to be honest with you, which is hard sometimes because most of these people, they don't trust you, right? They don't know who you are. They are not going to just trust you easily like that, right? So it's hard sometimes to get customers doing this particular strategy. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Now, but if you succeed in getting customers and they say, okay, most of them will want to pay you half of the money that you agree with them and pay you the rest when you are done with the work, right? Now, once you get the customer, then you're going to go to this next step that I'm about to show you. And this is how you can optimize that business without even you having to do the work by yourself and get it done and get paid, right? But before I go into the next step, guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, you want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click on that like button to like this video. Click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel, you're going to be learning a lot for yourself and you're going to be making money online, watching videos that are coming from this channel, right? So subscribe to this channel and go to the comment section and tell me that you have subscribed, right? Be part of the family. You can also follow our Telegram group and be part of the family. So let's continue. So guys, once you must have gotten your customer, then the next step is to come to this website called fiverr.com, right? This is a place where you get people to do most of the works for you online and you pay them a little fee and keep the rest of the money for yourself. As you can see right here, people here are charging less to do this Google My Business optimization. So you create an account with fiverr.com and you create a buying account, not a selling account, right? Now, once you create a buying account that you're buying services, now you want to come to the search bar and search for Google My Business optimization, right? So as you can see, there are a lot of people that want to do this for a lesser amount and even a higher amount. For example, this person will do it for $15 per person. This person will do it for $15. This one person will do it for $100. This person will do for $25. This person will do as high as $250 per business per person, right? This one will want to do $80, right? It depends on the amount you agree with your customer. And people in the hair business niche, they're ready to pay you massively to generate more sales and generate more customers and even build their business, right? And even for them to rank on Google Maps so that people can actually find their business every time online, right? So now what you're going to be doing here when you come here is, first of all, search for Google My Business optimization, and you're going to search for people that are going to do this at a lesser amount. Let's say, for example, guys, you charged $100 from your customer, right? You come here, you look for someone that can do it as low as $15. Like this guy right here is ready to do it as low as $15. It doesn't have any specific amount that you can charge from your customer. It depends on what you guys agree on. Now, you want to click on this person's profile and you want to contact him or her to do the work for you, right? Now, as you can see here, it says looking to get higher ranking in Google Maps, then you are on the right place. Google Map Pack ranking, Google My Business optimization, Google Maps local citations, Google page #1 ranking, and so much more. This guy is offering so much things right here, and he's going to do it for you for $15, right? Now, what you want to do is to contact this guy. Once you contact this guy, then you tell him this is what you want, this is the page. You show him the page. Of course, you're going to get the page from your potential customer and show him the page and give him all the details he's going to need to optimize that business, right? Once the job is done, then your customer is going to pay you your balance. Let's say you charge $100 from your customer and your customer paid you $50 deposit, and once the job is done, the person is going to pay you back the remaining $50. Now you're going to, from the $100, pay this guy $15 and you pocket the rest of the money. This is how this Google Maps strategy works, right? But guys, you have to be very, very hardworking to get more customer, because you have to do a lot of work by trying to convince them, trying to convince your customers they are real, they are not going to run away with their money once they pay you to optimize their business, that you are going to get the job done for them. You have to do a lot of convincing right here, right? This is why this strategy is hard. It's kind of hard, guys. To be honest, it's hard. But once you start getting good at it and you've learned how to convince customers, then it's going to be easier for you, right? But for me, this is not what I want to be doing with my everyday life. All right, I'm not very good at convincing people, so I'm not going to consider this what I'm going to be doing for myself every day, right? So, but if you're good in convincing people, you can go ahead and do it. You can use it to make lots of money for yourself. So guys, this is the end of this videos, and I hope you got value from this video. If you did got value from this video, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and like this video, click on that subscription button to subscribe to this channel, then go down in the comment section of this video and tell me that you've subscribed, and comment the location you are watching this video from, right? And you're going to be happy that you subscribe to this channel, because you'll be learning a lot. With all that being said, guys, I will see you guys in my next video update. Keep winning, guys. I love you guys. Peace and enjoy.